Hi guys, welcome to Smart Invention TV.
In today's video, we have combined 7 most unique and crazy bike invention that will blow your mind.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. Without wasting up your time, let's get started.
Number 1. Yike bikes. The Yike bike is a foldable portable electric bike that is lightweight and weighs in at around 9 pounds. This foldable bike is one of the most compacts in the world. It does not have any chains, gears, or obvious working mechanisms. It has a top speed of 14 miles per hour and folds to a very small, easy-to-carry size in about 20 seconds. The lithium manganese battery lasts about 40 minutes before it needs a recharge, which makes it ideal for travel around the city. The range is anywhere between 8.7 and 26 miles. It also uses regenerative braking to recharge the battery. This Yike cycle is available for roughly $2,000 US. Using the Yike bike is an excellent solution to saving money on transportation. Number 2. Kwiggle. Kwiggle is the most compact folding bike worldwide. The only folding bike in hand luggage format, 55 by 40 by 25 centimeters. This folding bike even fits under the seats in trains and buses. Rides better than any other folding bike. Weighs only 9.5 to 10.5 kilograms. Kwiggle you ride easily and fast with 1, 3, and 6 speed gears. Number 3. Forkless cruiser bike. The forkless cruiser bike was built as a graduation project for the Institute of Design in Lahti, Finland. The bicycle is a classic single-speed. No gear shift, no electric motors or battery packs. It has a very unique and creative bike design. Number 4. Bisimple. Is it possible to evolve from the established bicycle design while adhering to the basic principles of simplicity, functionality, style, and excitement? The bicycle is a unique take on the bicycle. Simple, stylish, practical, and fun. Its maker, Josh Bechtel of Scallyfish Designs, based in Washington, believes that it will change the way people cycle. The bicycle can be ridden in 2 modes, with the rear steering locked, making it feel like a normal bicycle, or unlocked so it can be ridden in crab mode, allowing tighter turns and even sideways riding. Number 5. Lahti. The Lahti is a totally new way of moving. With the electric assist, it takes no more effort to walk than a walk in the park. The electric assist in combination with the gear is boosting your walking pace up to the speed of a regular bike. The bike is propelled by a 350W motor by a 48V 20Ah lithium-ion battery which turns the treadmill while you walk. The battery will generate power for a typical rider to get 30 to 50 plus miles per charge, making the bike a viable form. Number 6. Sandwich bike. Sandwich bike is a wooden design bike harvested in a sustainable managed forest in Germany, giving each frame its own unique identity. The relatively thick tires and stiff frame make it a perfect bike for a comfortable ride. We don't expect you will ride your sandwich bike indoors, so we made sure the wooden frame will do its job, rain or shine. Presented during the 2013 Salone del Mobile, the sandwich bike wooden bicycle by Dutch designer based in Lahti will start production. Made of 2 wooden panels, this bicycle was inspired by the concept of flat packing and home assembly. Number 7. Flash. Flash is an electronic bike company from Seattle who assembles their new, innovative Flash in the Bay Area of California. Is to create an electric bike for riders who want some assistance for commuting that may be a bit too far, for those who have suffered injuries, riders who have a lot of hills in the way, and city dwellers who can put this e-bike to good use. Charging takes 4 to 5 hours from fully depleted to charged.
You enjoy this video, don't you? We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have picked for you to enjoy next. We love you.